Michael, quick question.
Hey, Olivia. Of course. What is on your mind?
What is the real difference between could, would, and should? I hear them everywhere, but I always guess.
You are not alone. That is the #1 confusion for English learners.
My brain is so tired of grammar rules.
Then good news. Today, 0 grammar rules, just feelings and pictures.
No rules? Really?
Really. Because here's my secret. You do not have a grammar problem, Olivia. You have a politeness problem.
Wait, am I rude?
Not rude, but in English, these 3 little words show respect. They're the business suit of the language.
Oh, I love that picture. Okay, let us put on the suit.
First word, could. Picture this. You're in a big office, your arms full of heavy boxes. A man stands by the door. What do you say?
Can you open the door?
Good. That's normal. Now listen. Could you open the door?
Oh, that feels softer, more gentle.
Exactly. Can asks about ability. Do your arms work? Could is a polite request.
Got it. Give me a real situation.
Instruction. You're in a meeting with a big client. You need them to read a document.
Could you read this file, please?
Impressive. You sound like a top manager now.
Powerful but polite. One more?
Instruction. You need help from a coworker on a project.
Could you explain this project to me?
Natural and respectful. Could means asking people to do something nicely. Quick question for everyone watching. Which word do you get wrong the most? Could, would, or should? Pause and say it out loud right now.
Oh, honestly, I always mixed up would and should.
Perfect, because would is exactly next. Instruction. Picture a quiet cafe. The waiter arrives. What do you say?
I want coffee.
Now think of a small child. I want candy. I want is raw, a little aggressive.
Oh no, I don't want to sound like a crying child.
So upgraded. I would like a coffee.
I would like a coffee. Wow, it sounds elegant.
Would makes your desire polite. Now take it to work, not I want a meeting instead.
I would like to discuss the project.
Beautiful. And here's the magic twist. Flip it to offer something. Your coworker carries heavy boxes, not do you want help?
Would you like some help?
Yes, would is a polite desire and a polite offer.
So could is for asking others to act, and would is for my wishes and my offers.
Spot on. Last word, should. Picture a stressed friend at their desk, a huge problem with their project. I say, talk to your manager.
Ouch, that feels like an order.
Right, so we soften it. You should talk to your manager.
Oh, that feels like a warm hug for my stressed brain.
Exactly. Should is not a command, it's friendly advice. Their choice. You're just helping.
Give me situations.
Instruction. Your coworker looks exhausted.
You should take a break.
Instruction. Your friend plays video games instead of preparing a presentation.
You should study a little more.
Instruction. The team is stuck and needs the boss to decide.
You should make a decision.
Helpful, never pushy. That's should. Now, one honest thing, Olivia, so I'm not lying to you.
I like honesty. Tell me.
Explaining. These 3 words have other uses too, talking about the past, possibility, conditions. For example, when I was young, I could run fast.
Oh, so today is just the politeness power of these words.
Exactly. The most useful one for daily life. We'll cover the other powers in a future lesson, so subscribe so you don't miss it.
Smart. One word, many superpowers.
Instruction. Same situation, different feeling. You need help. Normal. Can you help me? Polite. Could you help me?
One is basic, one is respectful.
Instruction. You're thirsty. I want coffee versus I would like coffee.
Baby versus professional.
Now the error lab. I speak badly. You fix me. You must help me right now.
Could you help me, please?
I want a meeting with you today.
I would like a meeting with you today.
Your project is bad.
You should check your project again.
Brilliant. You turned an insult into kind advice. Final test. Real scene, no explanations. Action.
Hey, Michael, are you busy? Could you send me the marketing file?
Sure. Anything else?
I would like to discuss the new budget later. Some numbers look low. You should check the final results.
Good catch. I'll do that now.
Would you like me to book a meeting room?
Yes, please. And cut. Perfect. You used all three without thinking. Instruction. Take a screenshot of this card to remember it forever. Could. Polite request. Could you open the door? Would. Polite wish or offer. I would like a coffee. Would you like help? Should. Friendly advice. You should take a break. Friendly homework. Drop 3 sentences in the comments. One with could, one with would, one with should.
And we read every comment. Mistakes are welcome. The Error Lab is open.
Remember the golden sentence. Speak English, but speak it nicely.
Like the video, subscribe, and see you in the next lesson.